Shall I start? Only this one. Respected judges and the architects of this august house, permit me to place before this house not an argument but a document, and this is India's resume. I just use it for reference. It's not my speech. And its objective is clear: to become a developed nation by 2047. Then what would be its strongest qualification? Not its population size, even not its GDP numbers. Its strongest qualification is its youth. And this budget, which is strengthen this qualification by investing in education, entrepreneurship, skill development, opportunity. This budget, which is not an expenditure document, it is an investment blueprint for around 65% of India, as it explicitly called a Yuva Shakti driven budget. Today, I want to talk about this budget through 4 pillars, which strengthen India's youth path towards a truly Viksit Bharat. Let's start with the pillar 1, education. From degrees to skill sets. This budget strengthens education with nearly a 60% rise in skill allocation. But this is not just about money. It is about shifting from mark sheets to skill sets. It is about modern ITIs, AI-based learning, industry-linked training that connects classrooms to careers. Because a degree without employability is just a framed paper. Pillar 2, from job seekers to job creators. India today is the 3rd largest startup ecosystem in the world. With this budget, strengthen MSME, expand career access, and promotes manufacturing and entrepreneurship. Pillar 3, from artificial intelligence to semiconductors. This budget prepares youth of this nation for technology-driven world by establishing AVGC content creator labs in 15,000 schools, 500 colleges. It acknowledges that animation, gaming, and digital content are not hobbies anymore. They are the careers. Ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully that the battlefield of 2047 will not be fought with weapons. It will be fought with algorithms. Pillar 4. This budget expands opportunity to every corner of India, ensuring growth with inclusion. In 2047, when India celebrates 100 years of independence, history will not ask how much we allocated. History will ask, did we prepare our youth? So youth is not India's future, youth is India's present strength. Uttishta Jagrata Prapya Vara Nibodhita. It's a famous line of Swami Vivekananda. Utho jago jab tak laksh ke piche bhago, jab tak laksh प्राप्त na ho jaye. And thank you for your young leaders for your attention.
Next, Komaram Bhim, Asifabad.